everybody, it's your girl Kim, and I'm back again with another video. Welcome to all my new subscribers. What's up to the people who've been rocking and rolling with your girl from day one, or if you've been here for a while, thank you for always coming back. I said I was gonna change my intro up a little bit just to keep it fresh, just to keep it new. But anyway, we're gonna continue on with this video, but I want to give a big old shout out to all of the people that watch all of my videos, no matter what your girl posts, vlogs, walkthroughs, hauls, everything. You are my MVP of the channel, and because of you, your girl keep posting. So thank you for always supporting me. Thank you for being my rider. Thank you, thank you, thank you. But let's get this video going. Don't forget to subscribe. Follow your girl on Instagram. Follow your girl on Instagram. I keep forgetting to say that, but please, please, please follow your girl on Instagram. I'm trying to get my numbers up over there. But let's get this video started because look, y'all. Oh my gosh. These are the last few boxes from the semi-annual sale, I think. I don't know if I got one more box coming or not, but I just got these boxes today, so I want to go ahead and open them so I could put this stuff up. So let's see what's in this first box. The boxes are kind of small, but it is 3 of them. So let's see what's in this. Y'all heard the birds chirping and doing their thing like they always do in all of the videos. So yeah, so let's see what's in this one. Let's see. Oh, no coupon. Wait, I don't even remember ordering this. Dang, I'm actually glad I did open this box, because I have the new aromatherapy. As y'all see, the tea tree, the hemp seed, and the aloe, which is the orange sandalwood. I'm actually happy I went on and opened this up, because I was going to buy these tomorrow. I was going to the store to actually get these, so I'm glad I opened this box up. So happy. I think those were free. Yes, those were free with rewards. Yay, yay. So I got these 3. As you do see, this one is the hemp seed, and the scent notes is sage and mint. Let me get behind it. I actually smelled this in the store. This one is very heavy on the mint scent. So if you are the type of person and you love mint, you will love this one. The green tea is green. Why do I keep saying green tea? I just said that on the live with Richie and Lacey, and I kept saying green tea, and I didn't realize I said that until later on. But and I keep saying that with this one. It's not green nothing. Tea tree. Tea tree, tea tree, tea tree. And I did this last time with the last video, but tea tree and lavender. Tea tree and lavender. Let's get back to it. Tea tree and lavender. If you are familiar with tea tree oil, it's very, very strong. But this one does not come off strong like that. This one is a really nice blend of both notes. So this is really good. I really like this. And then the last one I got is the aloe, which is orange plus sandalwood. This one has to be my second pick. I actually really like this one as well. So yeah. Let's see, what else did I get? And again, the 75%, I got this sea salt and lavender body wash. It was 75% off. I just decided to get this bonfire bash because I wanted to try it, because I know it has like bourbon, vanilla bourbon, sandalwood, and cashmere musk. So I really wanted to try this. They didn't have the body wash. I wish they did, but they didn't have it, so I just got the lotion. And then the last thing I got was this body scrub, which is this Gava. Ooh, is it open? This Gava plus orange body scrub, 75% off. You cannot go wrong with getting this for 75% off because it's $16.50. Really good price. $16.50 for this body scrub. So these were the only things that I got in this order. So yeah, this whole order only spent like $17. Not bad at all, because I actually only paid for 3 items, which was these 3 items. So $17 for these 3 items is not bad. Actually, the total looked like it was, they say $10. $10 in merchandise. So along with shipping, I paid basically, yeah, like $17.50. That wasn't bad for this order. $17.50 for these items. This alone is $16.50. So that wasn't bad at all. And then, like I said, these last 3 things I got with rewards. Okay, the next box. Let's see, how much did I spend on this order? This order was $26. I actually spent $18 for the merchandise, and then of course shipping and taxes, so $25. Yay! Look, y'all, free with rewards. I'm glad I opened this because I actually was gonna get some more. This scent is amazing, and I got it free with rewards. I absolutely love this. This whole line is amazing to me. And y'all know I don't really buy a whole lot of body care. I just really buy, I really only get it semi-annual sale, and if I get it free with rewards. If it's something that I really like, then yeah, I will get it free with rewards. As far as buying it, I don't really buy it at like the 3 for $3. I don't really do that. So the next stuff I got was, of course, some wallflowers, because these wallflowers was on 75%. It feel like one of them is loose or something. Pink lilac and vanilla, and rainforest gardenia, which is those 2. Like I said, these were 75% off, and y'all know I absolutely love pink lilac and vanilla. So when I seen it was 75% off, which was $1.87 for one, I had to rack up. I had to get a couple. So more of those 2 scents, the pink lilac and vanilla, and then the this one right here, and then the rainforest gardenia, another pink lilac and vanilla, and then the coconut lime breeze. That coconut lime breeze is really good. And I just plugged one in. Amazing. It is so nice. I hate that I didn't grab more of these. That is good. It is really good. And basically that's it for this order. Only things I paid for were the wallflowers. Like I said, it came up to $18.70, and I paid a total of basically $26 for this whole order. Wasn't bad. The last box, which I think is more wallflowers. Or I might have a couple of candles in this one. Okay, the last box. No card. What I paid for this one is $38, because I actually got some candles. I feel like I'm missing something. No, I'm waiting on another order. Most definitely gonna get another order because I got more candles. These candles was on the 75% sale, and I decided to get Kiwi Starfruit Cooler. I decided to grab 2 of these candles because they were 75% off, which was $6.12, I believe. That ain't the one. This is the one. Yes, $6.12. So I decided to grab 2 of these candles. This scent is just okay for me, but for 75% off, why not? Let me check the other one real quick, because y'all know how they be doing. Sometimes you get your candles and they be broke. Ooh, these mosquitoes turn me up. And here is the other one. Yeah. So yeah, decided to grab 2 of the same candle. And then, like I said, the rest of the stuff is wallflowers. I got 5 of the sea salt and lime wallflower. Decided to get 5 of them. Like I said, these were 75% off, so they were $1.87. 4 of the cereal and cartoon. Got 4 of them. 5 of the lemon mint leaf wallflower. And basically that's it. That's everything in this collection. I mean, everything in this order. See, this is loose. This is good. So that's everything I got in this order. As I said, I got a whole lot of wallflowers because they were super cheap online. Yes, they were 75% off. You cannot beat that. I didn't see a lot of these wallflowers in the stores, so that's the reason why I just decided to just go ahead and order online. And as y'all see, I really stocked up because these scents is finna go away. So if you haven't grabbed any of these summer scents for the wallflowers or the candles or whatever, now is the time to get it. Semi-annual sale was actually the time to get it, but if you haven't and this stuff is still on sale, now is the time to grab this stuff because some of these scents are not going to come back. Like this cereal and cartoon, I don't think this scent will ever come back. I don't even know if it really did good. It was a lot of hype around it when it first came out, but after that I didn't hear many people talking about this particular one at all. And then this one kind of come out every year, I believe. The sea salt and lime, really, really good. If you love lime, you'll love this. And we all know the lemon, mint leaf come out all the time. So you don't really have to rush for this unless this is your favorite and you want to have it throughout the winter season. Then yeah, go ahead and grab it if you can, because most of this stuff is actually sold out online. So basically that's it. That's all of the stuff that I got. I'm still waiting on 1 or 2 more boxes. I think the other box is going to come. It's all candles, 75% candles. Like I said, all of this stuff was 75% off. So yeah, this wasn't bad at all. This wasn't bad at all. So yeah, leave in the comments, are you still receiving your semi-annual sale orders, or have you got everything, or are you still shopping in the store? Even though semi-annual sale is over, they still have a lot of 75% as well as 50% items in the store. Let me know in the comments, are you still shopping these sales? Leave that in the comments. And I guess I'll see y'all in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, leave comments, follow your girl on Instagram, and I'll see y'all in the next one. All right, peace.